Alright, we're almost near the end of the course. Now, before telling you what is next and giving you some challenges, I thought to finish this course with a bit of art and creativity. So I have tweaked the styles of our application, and here's the end result. I think this looks better and more professional than what we previously had. Now I'm going to show you how I came up with this theme, but I'm not going through every little detail because it would just waste your time. Instead, I will just show you the workflow. If you want to see the exact changes I've made, you can look at the commit on GitHub. Also, if you like this theme, you can download the CSS I've attached to this lecture. Now let me show you a few simple techniques to improve the look and feel of your applications. Let's say you want to change the color of the navigation bar. Right-click here, inspect. On the left side, you see the element currently selected, and on the right side, you see the styles applied to this element. Here, scroll down until you find the background color. Now, in this case, you are not going to see the background color because this style is not applied to the currently selected element. So you should look at its parent, in this case, container. If you look at the styles for this element again, you're not going to see background color. So you should look at its parent again. In this case, navbar-inverse. And here you see we had this background color and border color. But if you scroll up, you can see they have been overridden by these styles here. So currently you see these styles are coming from my Bootstrap theme, which is called bootstrap-theme.css on line 21. Now to change this color, click this box here and use the color wheel. And the rest is just creative process. So for every element, you can inspect it, find the styles, change the color, change the padding, change the font size. And as you're making these changes, save these changes in a separate CSS file. Do not change the original Bootstrap, because if in the future, Bootstrap team release a new Bootstrap and you add that to your project, all your changes are gone. So that's why I've created this Bootstrap-theme, which overrides the styles in Bootstrap. For example, you can see that I have changed the text color. I've added a bit of margin below the headings, and so on. And of course, as you might guess, I've added this CSS in our bundle. Now, if you don't know what color to choose, your best source is color.adobe.com. Here you can find some really interesting color palettes. So here's the one I have used in Vidly. So I came here, I like this pink, I selected it, found the hexadecimal color code, copy, back here, and simply pasted that here. And then I use this green as the highlight color. So in our type ahead, let me show you one more time. This is the green. And I use this gray for our buttons. Here it is. So this is just a matter of experimentation and trial and error. There is no right or wrong. You just need to play with various styles to get a nice look and feel.